glad you clicked on this video. Actually, many of you asked, bro, how to crack a job? I mean, not only Cognizant, but Accenture, Wipro, TCS, like that. So, yeah, let us discuss.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up.
Most big students don't fail because they are dumb. They fail because no one ever gave them a clear roadmap. If you are targeting companies like Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, Infosys, this video might literally save your placements. Actually, let me guess your situation. You open YouTube. One guy says learn DSA and other says do projects and some other says learn AI. And now you're stuck doing nothing. Backlogs, low confidence, and everyone around you pretending they are preparing. But deep down, you know you don't have a clear path. That's exactly what this video is. So now, I'm not here to give you a motivation. I'm here to give you a step-by-step roadmap on how to crack a job in 2026 as a fresher. So, first understand this clearly. MNCs like Cognizant or Accenture are not expecting you to be a genius. They're actually checking three things. Can you think logically? Do you understand basics? Can you communicate well? That's it. And you don't need 500 lead code problems and you don't need 10 certificates. You just need clarity plus consistency. So, listen carefully. Step 1. Programming language. Stop doing 10 languages at once. Just start at one. It's either C++, Java or Python. That's it. And don't just learn syntax like a robot. Understand the following concepts like loops, conditions, functions, arrays, strings. Because in the first round, they are not asking you to build the Google, right? They're actually testing if you can actually think or not in a programming way, like in a logical way. And step 2, aptitude. This is where most students rejected. Aptitude is not hard, but yeah, you need to practice. You need to practice quant like percentages, ratios, time and work, etc. and logical reasoning and basic puzzles. And one more thing people ignore. Game-based aptitude rounds. These are the special round many companies introduced just a couple of years before. Even Cognizant, Accenture and many others are having these rounds in their interview rounds. So learn carefully. So practice game-based aptitude as well in your aptitude section. In this game-based aptitude, they check your focus, reaction, decision making. So just don't ignore like others do. So if you are serious about getting placement in 2026, don't just watch this video and forget it. Subscribe now because I will break down each round in detail in the upcoming videos. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. Coming to the topic. Core subjects. This is where you separate from average students. You don't need to master everything, but you should not be blank as well. Focus on OOPS, object-oriented programming. This is literally hot in every interview. They'll definitely focus on OOPS at least for 5 to 10 minutes. So understand classes, objects, polymorphism, inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation. And also you have to learn DBMS. You have to learn the basic things like what is DBMS actually? What is normalization? You have to learn at least some basic SQL queries as well. And third, OS. You have to know operating system. Like basic things like what is a process? What is a thread? What is synchronization? What are the scheduling algorithms? That's it. You don't need to dive deep into that. And also computer networks as well. So don't just mug up your definitions. Understand it like explaining to a friend. Next thing, SQL. This is actually underrated. Learn select, join, group by. Because sometimes one SQL question maybe decides your shortlist. For sure. And the next step, interview preparation. This is where many students lose the job. Even after clearing rounds, because they don't know how to talk, how to express, how to communicate. Let me be honest, if you speak with fear, you are done. So prepare basic HR questions like tell me about yourself, explain your projects, why should we hire you, where you want to see yourself in 5 years. And please, if you are underconfident, fake it. Fake your confidence until you make it. So don't be afraid in the interview rounds, especially in HR. Be real, be genuine, be confident. That's it. Even if your English is broken, clarity matters more than your accent. But sometimes in reality checks, you might do everything right and still get rejected. That's normal. Because placements are not just about skill. Sometimes it's luck, timing, competition. But understand it clearly. Average student just give up after one or two rejections. So just don't give up. Because serious students or serious aspirants, they don't give up with it just one or two attempts, right? So if you are rejected in one or two interviews, learn from them and come back stronger. So here is your roadmap. I'll say you exactly. Just don't listen this and please make sure to have a pen and paper and note it down, or else if you have tab or mobile, keep a note on it. You have to pick at least one programming language. So in my case it's Java, and you have to prepare daily aptitude at least for half an hour. And third, core subjects matters like oops, DBMS, operating system, computer networks and SQL is more than enough. And next thing, communication skills matters a lot, and mock interviews. That's it. That's what all you have to do before going to your interview. Repeat this. If you are in your final year students, repeat this at least 6 months consistently. And if you are already completed your final year, you have to practice this at least 2 to 3 months to crack a job, because nowadays many companies are still hiring 2024 5 6 batches. So make sure to learn all these subjects, and yeah, that's enough to crack MNCs, because you are not targeting like Google, Microsoft to learn in-depth knowledge on DSA. It's actually more about coding and programming skills, and you have in-depth knowledge on arrays, strings, and even dynamic programming as well. So I'm not talking on that case. We are here to talk about how to crack the MNCs as first. After 2 to 3 years of experience, if you want to switch or convert from Cognizant to other companies, Accenture to other companies, you can easily convert if you are concentrated on DSA part. So that's a secondary thing. So don't just overthink, don't compare, just start, because 1 year from now you will either have a job or excuses. And honestly, I will give another reminder in case you missed. It's time management. Please get rid of all the things that are not giving you any ROI. I'll personally highly suggest you stop scrolling Instagram and stop reading nonsense news. No point sitting through pointless meetings, and watch the highlights instead of actual cricket match. Unless Virat Kohli is playing. I mean, come on guys, we don't have much time. We should savor each moment we have. So if this video give you clarity, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye and all the best.